Hello guys, let me introduce about the very valuable engineering form of this steel structure. You see, this steel structure is going almost three months only. So this steel structure is going work like this. You see, the structure, the column, the beam also. That one what we see is the mezzanine floor standby steel structure. After you done this structural work, finally you put some slab like this. You see the slab for the mezzanine floor. You see, you see. This is the top of the mezzanine floor. This is the roof part. This worker is ongoing work almost to finish within this month. The steel structure work is good. Yeah, this is the purlin part, the roof. This is the rooftop part. That one what we see is the opening slab. It's nice work. So if you like it, share, comment, appreciate this work. Thank you.